Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that anger can be a catalyst for change. Why do I say that? Because, oftentimes in my business, the the best results and the best changes have come when I've been extremely annoyed. Like it just had to change. For example, when I was first learning how to close consultations with strangers, I was just so mad because I had so many that were not closing, and it was just came to a boiling point where it was like, okay, I need to go learn how to do this. So I ended up spending probably about like an entire week, just every moment of the day, buying sales content, audio content, listening to closes, listening to all these different things, just trying to be able to get 1% better every single day so that I could close more people and I could actually get more people to sign up and want to work with me. Okay? But it happened because I was angry. If you're tired of being angry and you actually want to make a change in your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. All we do is help you get to where you want to go in the fastest time possible so that you can actually live your dreams while you're young and while you're able to actually have time to spend with your family. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.